Hello everyone. Let's talk about our project Remote Patient Monitoring. To answer some questions like what is it and how it would affect our society. In today's fast-paced world, healthcare faces numerous challenges, from economic pressures to rapid urbanization. These factors often create barriers between doctors and their patients, making medical intervention very difficult, especially in critical situations where every second counts. Our project Remote Patient Monitoring aims to bridge the gap by leveraging technology to provide continuous healthcare monitoring and improve patient outcomes.
After our research and multiple discussions with both our university supervisor and our partner Dr. Hani, who is a cardiologist in US, we figured out the main causes of the problem and figured out the plan to solve it, which is having a system where we can assign group of wearable devices like glucose meter, pressure meter, pulse oximetry, and ECG to each patient who may suffer from old age or disabilities, to form a system of integrated medical devices that transfers the readings remotely to our system to be collected in the real time and analyzed even by showing the dashboard of each patient or by using our AI models we're gonna explain in detail later to simulate a number of preventable features accompanied with our system.
After doing our market research and a multiple number of discussions, we can say that our system is different from the similar companies like TrueCare, HealthSnap, and Optimize Health in some aspects, starting from the AI-driven risk prediction, depending on the data they collected by proactive monitoring, using our integrated medical devices in the real time, ending by that all under the protocols of HIPAA compliant to maintain the patient's privacy. In order to achieve that, we moved in 3 teams: AI, web development, and HIPAA team. Starting by the AI team, we worked in 3 models. The first one is an emergency prediction model accompanied with ECG classification model, where we start by classifying our real-time ECG signal into 3 classes: normal, left ventricular hypertrophy, ST wave abnormal signal. Then we trained our model using Cleveland dataset and a dataset collected from the Egyptian hospitals, where we used XGBoost after comparing it with another 10 models to show the highest accuracy of 95% for emergency cases prediction. The second model is the abnormal values classification model, where we classify the recognized abnormal readings if its root cause is a real critical condition, a patient misuse, or a device malfunction, which is a common research scope globally because of its massive effect on the diagnostic accuracy. The third one is a risk prioritization model, which can be very efficient in case of multiple emergencies to help the clinic prioritize and well-distribute its resources according to the patient's needs.
Secondly, we are going to talk about the web development part. We are working on emergency-related features like sending notifications in case of abnormal values, auto-ambulance call, auto-clinic reservation, and connecting the patients with their relatives. We also working on enhancing the reminder feature to be suitable for each patient case. We are working on the integration between our website with AI models, and finally implementing customer service features like chatbot, which provides instant answers, and a live chat connects patients directly with doctors, offering real-time consultation and support. At the end, it is a HIPAA compliant team, which was responsible for following up with the development team to apply all the policies, where we completed writing about 70% of them.
To be able to achieve these tasks, we used multiple tools and technologies like PostgreSQL for the database, AWS for the database deployment, as a backend framework Nest.js, Heroku for the deployment, React as the front-end framework, Vercel for the deployment, GitHub for code hosting, and Postman for API testing. But we had to ask an important question: is our idea applicable to be a final product, and how it would help the society? Where we recognize that our system helps the healthcare providers to take the right decision in patient prioritization according to the risk evaluated using AI. It also helps them in managing the chronic diseases by providing a real-time monitoring, which enhances the data collection for refining emergency case predictive models. Also, it has the full potential to solve the problem of vast distances, as it can be used all over the government in what's called portable diagnostic caravans, which could serve the needed healthcare for patients in remote or underserved areas by cooperation with the Egyptian government. In addition to its recognizable involvement in a recent fast-growing research that links between mental health diagnosis and vital signs, which aims at the end for quantifiable mental health diagnosis that can be used as a clinical trusted tool.
Aiming at the end to leave a significant impact socially and industrially. As a social impact, we aim to improve the accessibility of the patient to the healthcare provider, reduces the financial cost by 30%, which at the end enhances the overall quality of care. Regarding the industrial impact, we focus on eliminating the effect of vast distances while preserving patient privacy by applying HIPAA regulations, which increases the trust in using AI-powered analytics without violating patients' privacy. To bring the vision to life, we will now show you a snippet of our application in the following demo.
When a patient steps onto the iScale, the device instantly begins measuring their weight. As they stand still, the system captures the reading, ensuring accuracy. Once the measurement stabilizes, the iScale automatically transmits the data via an API to the smart meter database. From there, our system retrieves this information seamlessly. With just a few clicks, healthcare providers can access patient data effortlessly. By selecting a specific patient, choosing the device type, and setting a time range, all recorded readings within that period are instantly displayed. No complex steps, just fast, reliable, and accurate health monitoring at your fingertips.
Thank you for your time. See you.